Hey guys, this is Anthony Morganti. I am MrPhotographer.com. I just want to do this real quick video to let you know that I wrote an article on my website that includes all of the Black Friday deals from the companies that I'm affiliated with. So if you go to my website, onlinephotographytraining.com, you'll notice under latest articles that there is a post for Black Friday deals. Once you click on that, it will bring you to the page which has all the different deals from all the different companies I'm affiliated with. So if you're interested in anything like On One Software, Topaz Labs, Exposure X6, InPixio, McPaw software like Clean My Mac or Clean My PC, Telestream products like ScreenFlow, DxO PhotoLab 4, the Nick Collection, Capture One, Luminar, and so on. Before you purchase it, go to this page and see what the deal is, and you click through from here. Now I'll have this page listed in the description below this video. Thank you everyone who watches my videos. I really do appreciate it. I'll talk to you guys soon.